Okay, I'm out here today at 716 Bruce Way in Lilburn. The insured has hired me with Top Pitch Roofing to conduct a repair. The claim number is 058412064. The temperature is 40 degrees and the time is 3:30 p.m. I am going to use a GAF pewter gray shingle to do the repair. So as you can see here, I've got the damaged shingle outlined in red. I've got the shingles to the left and right and above and below numbered. So that way we can keep up with which shingles got damaged during the repair, if any do. These are the tools I'm going to use. This roof snake is only meant for composition shingles. I will use it to break the seals and drive the nails. I'll use my regular pry bar to pull the nails if I can't reach with this. As you can see, this pry bar is much longer than your roof snake. And I'm going to use a regular old roofing hammer. So we'll go ahead and start. Now, being extra careful not to lift the shingle above 45 degrees. Now this nail just pulled through, but it's on the shingle that we're trying to replace, so it's not that big of a deal. But okay, we'll look at this shingle real quick. As you can see, the nails are placed in the right spots in order to hold this shingle down. No markings on the back of the shingle. Now I'm going to use my roof snake to drive the nails so I do not lift the shingle above 45 degrees. 6 nails per shingle is required. That's minimum. Now, as you can see, in order to place this nail in the right spot, this shingle is hitting the edge of the roof snake. That's why these are only required for composition shingles.